Alright, we're getting ready to clean a carpet real quick. Give you a little look around. I want to show it before we start spraying it because it maybe will lighten up with the pre-spray some. I want you to see. This is not going to be too bad, I don't think. What happened with this one, and this will happen sometimes, you guys. These are regular customers. Well, they decided not to get the carpet cleaned. And then when they did get it cleaned, I think somebody's coming through running a special. And they had a truck mount guy clean the carpet for them. And I guess it didn't stay clean very long at all, and they didn't like it.
It did not work out.
It didn't work out. And we've cleaned this carpet a bunch of times. And I guess someone came up here with a trunk mount, and of course the next day it looked terrible, but they didn't want to spend the money to get it fixed right away, so they waited. And it's been, it's been a few...
It's been about 3 or 4 months. It's been about, yeah, it's been a while.
No, he did it last month.
No. Oh,
we haven't cleaned it in 3 or 4 months. They decided to let it go for a while, and then they had a truck mount guy come out and clean it. And it's been about a month ago. So they called us back, and so we're going to come and try to clean it for them. But anyway, I'm going to stop the camera here. We're going to pre-spray really good. And we're going to be using the Oreck orbiter. Now we're going to be using a 14-inch Challenger bonnet. They sent us some bonnets for samples a couple months ago. We really haven't used them much because we were waiting. There's supposed to be a new material that they're coming out with. And this is the old material. But we've been selling a lot of these to other people with Oreck orbiters, and they've all liked them. So we're going to keep selling the existing ones. You can see that one's been used a little bit. We've also got, did you bring the Ironman bonnet with you?
No.
We have an Ironman bonnet. We're not going to use it on this job because we didn't bring it with us.
Yeah, Paul from Moisture Pro sent us an Ironman bonnet so we could see what they were like. And I've done some carpet cleaning with it, but nothing really dirty. We were going to use it up here, and then we decided, well, we'll go ahead and use the Challenger bonnet because this is like a real, well, it's a challenge for our Challenger bonnet. So.
Oh, hey, I'm going to show you guys. Okay. Never mind. Oh, wait. These are the people, they never owned a vacuum in their lives. And we told them that if they were wanting us to clean their carpets from now on, they had to get a vacuum, so they went and bought a vacuum.
This place was tearing up our vacuum.
Oh, it's a little dirt devil. I think the nicest thing on this is probably the turbo hand tool here. But, oh yeah.
Well, we told them we wouldn't vacuum no more because they only get the place vacuumed every month or 2 or 3 months, and it's tearing up our vacuum cleaner.
Yeah, it'll destroy a vacuum cleaner.
And we said we won't vacuum no more up here.
Yeah.
Not with our stuff.
No, I got sick of having to dig out the brush rolls and clean them out, and they have urine in them and all that stuff because they got a pet up here and they just let it go to the bathroom, and so it's a real mess. And we told them, you guys get a vacuum cleaner, start vacuuming your carpets once in a while, or we don't want to clean for you anymore. So and actually, so they didn't have us clean for them for a while, and they hired someone else. Yeah, we're back.
They got mad that we refused to vacuum.
Yeah. We're back. It's like everybody should only vacuum cleaner and keep up with their carpets a little bit. I don't mind pre-vacuuming a carpet for somebody when they keep up with their place, but when they just leave it for me, I don't like doing that, and we got to get them educated somehow so they don't take advantage like that. It's lightening up a little bit.
You might as well leave the camera on. I'm about to start the machine.
All right.
No sense in shutting it off.
I'm going to pause it for a second just because. Be right back.
Alright, here's the Challenger, 14-inch Challenger bonnet, so let's give it a whirl.
And they work out to be a good size because...
Pull some cord loose here.
Oh. They work out to be a good size because the overlap that you get a little bit when you get up along baseboards and things like that. Oh, I see they didn't back in baseboards. When you get up along baseboards and things like that, they clean into the edges. And if you're doing stairs, they help you get the stairs a little bit. Oh, and this is a modified Oreck pad driver. You don't want to use this with your stock Oreck driver because you're never getting that off of there again. Nope. If you do, it's coming off in pieces. So I'll put a link for the Challenger bonnets. You can buy them in 5 packs or 10 packs. They're about $12 a piece. If you buy a 10 pack, they're about $14 a piece if you buy a 5 pack. And I recommend these are 100% cotton. If you want to buy these, I'd buy a 10 pack because the best way to do these things is have them in a bucket with your solution, mixed in with the water, and let them soak, and then take them out when you need them, wring them out, and throw them down. And then have another bucket that's for soaking dirty ones in.
No, I'm doing it with a dry bonnet.
Yeah, he's using a dry bonnet. That's the way we do it. We put an extra amount of pre-spray down, but You can use them out of a bucket if you want to use some moistened
Hey,
ones.
pay attention over here. This is
Yeah.
just showing how quick the dirty water, the dirt just comes up.
But you can have them in a bucket and wring them out really good. Throw them down.
I think we're casting a shadow.
Hold on. Got to get out of the way. Yeah, we have terrible lighting today. It's overcast, and so we're having to use the room lights. And this is one of those places where they got 40-watt bulbs. They got 40-watt bulbs in every outlet only because they can't find 20-watt bulbs.
Now, you guys that know us know we always use Oreck bonnets, but we don't mess around with cotton too much. We're not, I mean, you know, we've done the Oreck bonnets for 6 or 7 years. We've always had good results with them. So.
Yeah, when this bonnet fills up, and you'll be able to tell because it won't pick up anymore. What you have to do, if you don't have 10 of them, or 5 of them, what you have to do is you got to go wash this thing out really, really good, wring it out, and throw it back down. And so
I'm planning to do this whole permit on this one bonnet, and I'm not going to do no flipping. I'm going to see if it'll go through a hole.
yeah, these thin bonnets like this, there's no point in flipping it over. It's going to go all the way through. So.
Well, they keep absorbing dirt.
Yeah, they do. They hold on to it too. You don't have to worry you're smearing dirt around because.
No, it's not. I've done several business ditches. We haven't made no videos. This is the first video we made doing an actual carpet cleaning job with it.
Yeah, and you will never get them looking white again because you don't want to bleach them. You don't want to put peroxide in them. So you get them and they look pretty ratty after the first use, and there's nothing you can do about that.
But it's doing a good job.
This carpet is probably 20 years old, and it's always been neglected. And these people have lived here probably for 8 years.
8 years.
Yeah, and they have never taken care of it. And the people that lived there before them didn't take care of it. So this carpet's had about as tough a life as you can actually have. And it's actually completely ruined. So, and there are some stains in here that are actually permanent, so they're never going to come out.
Yeah, there's permanent wear. It may look like stains on camera, but it's not. If it was stains, we'd take it out.
Yeah.
We can get out all the stains. That's not a problem. But the Challenger bonnet's doing great, and so is the Oreck.
Yeah, it works.
Oh, and incidentally, all this stuff is for sale in our influencer store.
Yeah, I'll put a link in.
For the Oreck order.
The bonnets that we're using.
Yep. Let me get over here a little more. This is the bad spot.
Oh, I'll show you guys a little bit. Just a second.
Oh yeah, you man behind the camera there.
Well, the thing is, I was sick all last year, and during the process, you know, my hair's all grown back, and I've gotten back to being healthy again, and so we didn't make videos very often the last year, and I had some health issues, and so we're back, and we're going to try to start making videos a little bit more often. But
What happened was Joe come out this way. Joe got himself a bad staph infection, and we think we got it from doing some carpet cleaning at someplace nasty.
Maybe this place.
And so he had a.
But I had a rough year, and I got another.
He had it on the scalp and had to go get it treated.
Yeah.
And it's okay, it all worked out.
But I didn't want to be holding. I was too sick to be standing around holding cameras and stuff. So actually, Jay's been doing all the work, and I've been home handling our internet stuff because I haven't been up to going out and doing things because I can't stand up. Everything. I was on some bunch of medications and everything, and it was too weak to go out and move around. And I'm starting to get better, and we're gonna start making videos. But there's people have said I've never actually seen what you look like on camera.
This guy that's got his videos out saying the man behind the camera is, you know, this is a rude guy because when the man behind the camera don't feel real good, it's not cool to make fun of people.
Yeah,
like that.
when people are sick and you take that as an advantage, a chance to take advantage and say nasty things. Well, he said that you can't trust anything that I say because I don't show up on camera, which I guess is an interesting point of view. But
yeah, that is interesting. It don't make no sense, but it's interesting.
Well, anyway, I have been on videos in the past. If you look back in our archives, I used to be in videos all the time, vacuuming and doing part of the cleaning and stuff.
Joe does all the video making. Is every time I shoot one, it's a shaky video. I can't.
Yeah, I'll show you an example of what it's like when Jay's shooting the video.
That's how it works, yeah.
So that's why I hold the camera, because I'm
That's the
steadier
only
than
reason
him.
why he does it instead of me.
Yeah, Jay's hyperactive, and so he can't stand still, and he can't hold anything like a camera very steady. So I get to do it. Let me see, because I can't see what I look like when I hold the camera. That's me.
So there's the man behind the camera, Mitch. Just
You can trust me. I wouldn't lie to you.
yeah.
See, I'm on camera. I can't lie.
You must put one out. I'm about to start.
Yeah, because his point was anybody who will look you in the eyes on camera could not possibly be lying to you.
While he's lying to you.
While he lies to you about a bunch of
The
stuff.
whole thing's ironic that the guy's saying all that stupid nonsense.
That's okay.
It's
What, are you ready for the
whatever.
haul now?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, you must have stayed in the bedroom and filmed this whole thing.
All right. Hey, I wanted to tell everybody too, and I'll put a link in the description. Our VLM Carpet Cleaners Lounge has been taking off lately. We're getting a lot more people involved. And we're working with some exciting companies. We told you guys a couple of months ago we're starting to work with Challenger, and that's still ongoing. We're waiting to hear back from them on the new bonnet designs, and they were wanting to come out with an Oreck pad driver. So I guess they're still in development with that. We haven't got back with them yet. We're talking to John Gerkink at Trinity about some exciting possibilities. And so we made friends with him. He's in our group. And we're bringing in a lot of other people. And the group's become a really fun place to hang out. And if you're,
plus, for you people who love vacuum cleaners,
we also have the Vacuum Lovers Lounge that's taking off.
Ron Warner joined. And
Oh yeah, Ron Warner, the guy that put Workhorse Vacuums on the map and has for years. He just joined, and he's in there and in our Carpet Cleaners Lounge. And, the thing with the lounge is if you want to learn about carpet cleaning, or let's say you're an experienced carpet cleaner and you want to hang out with some of the other people that are big in the industry, that's the place to go.
Like me and Joe.
Yeah, me and Jay. Yeah, that's what everybody's there for, is because they want to learn from us.
We're the main draw. No, actually, there's a lot of cool people there.
No, the reason people like that group and the reason it's growing is because it's very friendly there. We don't put up with people being nasty to other people, and everybody's in there. They're being friendly. If you want to learn or you want to share your knowledge, that's the place to do it, because we have people that, well, quite frankly, a lot of people have watched our Oreck Orbiter videos and decided that that looks like something they want to do, and they really don't know anything about carpet cleaning, but they want to learn. And we're building a group up that is going to be the place where you come if you want to learn.
As far as we know, that group's got knowledge all the way dating back to 1974.
Oh yeah, and
If you want to learn about carpet cleaning, there's people that are doing it for years.
Well, they brought in
most people have been alive.
and they brought in the knowledge from people older than that they learned from.
Yeah.
So if you're wanting to get into this business and you want to start on a small scale, we can get you started and we'll get you into that group. And from there, you can advance on. And the thing we'll do is we'll save you a lot of frustration and a lot of money because we'll help you get started in a good way fast.
And there's people in the group, if you know, like John Gerkink and Challenger, there's people in the group that sell the products, so you can get an Oreck Orbiter from us and get started. And if you want to advance beyond that, I mean, we never have, but if you want to advance beyond the Oreck Orbiter, there's people in the group that will sell you a machine.
All right.
They got good quality machines to sell you.
But I'll put a link in that group, and I encourage anybody who wants to join.
Let's see the results. It got dirty.
Now we're gonna clean that thing out.
Got to the edge, but it was white when
Pull
it
it off
started.
and see how white the bottom of it is. It may not be. No, it went through.
Oh, some of the Velcro's come loose.
We're still fighting with that Velcro.
Yeah, the Velcro pad drivers, they're
You can stick the stuff back down and it sticks. You know.
Well, here's one
Throw
side.
that on the ground, toss it down.
There's one side, and then here's the other. And this is the side that was the Velcro was stuck to. This is the dirty side that went to the carpet. So,
Yeah. Now the Challenger pads are nice. They're 100% cotton. We're working on now we are in communication with another manufacturer of bonnets. They will make bonnets that will fit the Oreck Orbiter. And if I can get those on, I'll put them in the Amazon store for you. And if we, now John Gerkink says that the 15-inch Glad pads will work with an Oreck Orbiter. So we may have to order some of those from him and try them out. And they look a lot like that Challenger pad we just showed. They're a little bit bigger. But that's 100% cotton. His
Well,
pads
the
are,
thing about John Gurkane's bonnets is he won't tell us how he does them, but he's got some cotton, he's got some polyester, and he has a third ingredient that's a company secret.
it's a proprietary blend.
And it keeps the pads from coming apart for a long time. So
Yeah.
if the Trinities were so violent, but they won't tear the bonnets up, then they'll last forever on an Oreck Orbiter or any other normal machine.
That's the thing. People that know about Trinity machines, nothing scrubs harder or more aggressively than a Trinity, and so the bonnets that most people use under their machines won't last under a Trinity. And so they make bonnets that work great for their machines, and they'll also work for other machines too. But if you do own a Trinity, you got to be careful what bonnets you buy, because some of them aren't going to perform. They're not going to last for you. And so, but anyway, we got a bunch of exciting things going on, and wanted to share it with you. And we hope you guys
come to the group and check it out.
Yeah, come to the group,
There'll
because
be a link in the video.
there's always something going on there. And we hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's just a short one. It's not that great. We have bad lighting, and we're neither one of us in great moods, so that shows through.
But the Challenger bonnet, it did get the carpet cleaned without any flipping or anything. It got.
Oh, hey, this is a reminder. We were talking to someone. It was actually Paul at Washington Pro, and he was complaining about the cord hooks on the Oreck Orbiter. We don't use the cord hooks. You see what he's doing? He's got a Velcro strap. He just wraps it around there and hook it. Yeah, he found something to make that hang up there.
All you gotta do is Velcro it to the cord hook on top. You don't have to wrap it. That's a hassle. You don't
want to wrap it, and plus you don't want to kink your cord. Where cord wraps are on vacuum cleaners and machines like this, if you keep wrapping that cord around those cord hooks all the time, you'll end up developing twists and bends in the cord.
Oh, and something else.
You just randomly wrap it up and put it up there.
You can get a bag like this, just a random bag of any kind, and you can put your spare bonnets, your pad drivers. A bunch of stuff will fit in this bag. So.
And they keep your dirty ones aimed out.
And then whenever you come home, pull the dirty ones out and put them in the washer or whatever you got to do and get them cleaned up. But yeah, but that's how we do it. We don't use the cord. The cord wraps are too little for the 50-foot cords.
Yep.
They're good for the 30, but for the here, show this carpet is clean. Now,
yeah, there's a gouge.
On camera, it may not show up, but we're here in real life. And
well, a lot of this is the direction you move the nap too.
But it's clean, whether you can see it on camera or not. Believe us, if it wasn't clean, we'd keep going over because we don't quit.
There's nothing to this carpet. It's just so worn out that the dirt doesn't have any fibers left to stick to hardly.
Yeah, this here, this is a gouge, not a stain we missed.
Yeah.
But all the
there's
stuff,
gouges. There's a couple of gouges here.
There's gouges.
That's like a permanent stain. I think someone maybe burned a cigarette there once upon a time. Or did it come out? Oh, it's just a loose piece of junk.
So, there's all kinds of stuff in this.
But, they don't have high expectations. They just want it to look better than it did. So, mission accomplished.
They got that.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll try to put some more out soon. And we need to do a video on the Ironman bonnets, but we've only got the one, and it's finding the right place to do it. And,
and some of the things, we put umpteen videos out. You guys have seen us do it. You know we're going to do it every time. So what we do is we're more selective about what we put out.
Yeah.
So now there's dirty carpets that they're so dirty we can't get them clean, and we haven't put those videos out. But it happens just like it happens to every cleaner.
Oh yeah, you get the uncleanable carpet.
And we could share those, but we don't. But we could if you want to see some carpets that we worked hard on and they just were ruined.
Yeah, but anyway, I wanted to make sure everybody understand too. The reason we haven't been putting videos out this year, or this last year, was because I haven't been up to doing it, and I'm the one that does the videos and stuff.
Yeah, he's better now though. Everything,
all that stuff. Yeah, well, I'm still.
But he felt.
I'm getting there. I'm getting there.
He's not perfect, but this started in August on his birthday, and by August on his next birthday, he'll be completely well. He's pretty close right now because we just went to the doctor a week ago.
Oh yeah, but anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I guess till next time, thanks for watching.